Across the still water of the wetland, a jacana steps as though walking on air. Its wide, slender toes spread the weight of its body over floating lotus leaves. Morning light paints the chestnut feathers with bronze and gold.
In a world of drifting leaves and restless water, balance is everything. The jacana, with toes like stilts, strolls where others would sink. Each step is a calculation, each glance a claim of territory. In the heart of the
raft of lily leaves he keeps watch. These 5 mottled eggs are everything. With feet built for the floating world, he gathers them closer, broad wings draping like a shield against the morning air. A father, patient and steadfast. At first light, the wetland wakes. Mist drifts above the glassy water, and the jacana sets out on its day-long search for insects. Its toes, impossibly long, spread its weight so evenly it can walk on floating leaves.